Howdy y'all, this is K1Locks. Today I come at you with a lock pin by my buddy David. And I've gotten into this once before, but not on film. So we're going to go ahead and see if we can't get it today. As soon as I can get my picks open here. Alright, let's see what we got. Dun, 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 dun. We're going to go with this one. Alright, let's see what we got here. Zoom in a little bit here for you. Yeah, this one was a real booger in the before time too, so I'm hoping I can just pick this sucker open right now. I'm going to go ahead and put a little bit of a rake action on this thing. See if that helps me a little bit. Oops. Huh. Well, I see. Oh, nice movement there. I was off a 3. Off a 1. Back off a 3. We do got a really nice false set right now, so let's see if we can't expound on that a little bit. Switch picks up here. Let's see if this helps at all. Huh. And there we go. Sweet. We got her. Nice. All right. So, like I said, this is the second time I picked this open. I didn't really know. I don't know what's in it, so we're going to find out right now. Back this up a little bit. That's going to have to kind of do. All right. So I got to take the tape off, kind of, in order to get at this the right way. Let's bust out the knife. So let's see if this helps. Okay. Alright, well, we got it. Good thing we have a key, huh? Perfect. Alright, see, we have standard, and a spool. And it looks like nothing up in the core there. Let's see what we have up in the Bible, shall we? Whatever is up in one is stuck. Okay, number one is stuck. 2 is a standard. Oh, it's a key pin actually. There's that one and that one. go back and see if I can't beat some of these. Holy crap. I came out of one. Spring on two. This came out of three. Four and five. So what we end up having here is, as you can see, we have standards across the board here. This really crazy long pin here, another key pin, a little wafer guy, and these two don't have springs. 1 or 3 don't have springs, and then you have another key pin and another key pin for the top there, but different springs too. So again, this came to me from my buddy David. This is K1 Lock saying be safe, be legal, and be the lock.